Exercise motivation, tips to stay consistent. Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Ezekiel, and today we're diving deep into a topic that's a game changer for anyone on their fitness journey: exercise motivation. We all know that staying consistent with exercise can be tough, but fear not, because I've got some fantastic tips to keep you motivated and on track. So, if you've ever struggled with staying consistent, this video is for you. Let's get started. 1. Understanding motivation. Before we jump into the tips, let's first understand what motivation really is. Motivation is like the fuel that powers our fitness journey. It's the drive that gets us out of bed and into our workout gear. But it's important to note that motivation isn't a constant, unwavering force. It can ebb and flow, and that's completely normal. So, let's start by acknowledging that it's okay to have days when you're not feeling super motivated. 2. Setting clear goals. Tip number 1 is setting clear and achievable goals. Having a specific goal gives your workouts purpose. Whether it's running a 5K, losing weight, or simply feeling more energized, having a target in mind will help you stay focused and motivated. Make sure your goals are smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This way, you'll know exactly what you're working towards and when you've achieved it. 3. Finding your why. Consistency breeds habit, and habit leads to results. So, plan your workouts in advance and treat them like appointments you can't miss. 5. Variety and fun. Tip number 4 is all about variety and fun. Doing the same workout day in and day out can lead to boredom, which can zap your motivation. Mix it up with different exercises, classes, or outdoor activities that you enjoy. When you look forward to your workouts, staying consistent becomes a breeze. 6. Accountability. Tip number 5 is accountability. Share your fitness goals with a friend, join a workout group, or hire a trainer. Having someone to check in with can help keep you on track, especially when motivation is low. And don't forget, social media can be a great way to find fitness communities and share your progress. 7. Track your progress. Tip number 6 is to track your progress. Keeping a workout journal or using apps can help you see how far you've come. This visual evidence of your improvement can be incredibly motivating. Celebrate your milestones, no matter how small they may seem. 8. Be kind to yourself. Lastly, tip number 7 is to be kind to yourself. We all have off days, and that's okay. Don't beat yourself up over missed workouts or occasional indulgences. Remember, it's a journey, not a sprint. Treat yourself with the same kindness and encouragement you'd offer a friend. So there you have it, folks, 8 powerful tips to boost your exercise motivation and stay consistent on your fitness journey. Remember, motivation ebbs and flows, but with the right strategies, you can keep that flame burning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fitness tips and motivation. And, as always, if you have any questions or want to share your own motivation tips, drop them in the comments below. Let's support each other on this incredible fitness journey. Thanks for joining me today, and until next time, stay motivated, stay consistent, and keep crushing those fitness goals.